Welcome. Here is how to set up a PiggyVest savings challenge for the new year in a few easy steps. First thing is open your PiggyVest app on your phone and log into your account. Tap on the savings tab located at the bottom navigation bar and select target savings from the list of savings options. So the first thing is to create a target or select join a challenge. So this is a new year challenge going on. You can easily join this challenge. If not, you can go back and create a target. Just click on the plus sign and create a personal target. So the first thing is challenge myself for an individual goal. Then name your target, for example 2027 New Year Savings Challenge. The sixth thing is select your preferred category such as savings or personal. Seventh thing is set your total target amount and choose your savings frequency, whether daily, weekly or monthly. So pick your start date and end date for the new year challenge. Then you also choose your preferred funding source, either your flex wallet or your linked debit card. Finally, review all your details and tap create targets to lock in your challenge. That is all it takes to automate your new year financial goals. Thanks for watching and happy savings.